Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today I'm going to be bringing you some laundry motivation. I have several loads of laundry that I need to get done today, and I'll flip you around in just a second and show you all of the laundry that I need to do. And I'm also going to show you what my laundry room looks like right now. It's kind of a mess, so I figured while I'm doing the laundry, I'll go ahead and tackle that area as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Here is all of the laundry that has to be done. So I'm gonna wash our sheets and some blankets that we have first, and then we have some towels, Will's work clothes, and then my clothes. So right now it's looking like 4 loads of laundry. We'll see if there's any more. And then here's a look at the laundry room right now. I need to clean off the dryer, and then I also need to wipe down the washer and the dryer. And then I just kind of need to clean up in here a bit and get some things put away where they belong. And here's the laundry combo that I'm using right now. So I'm using the Gain Blissful Breeze detergent, the Downy Unstoppables in the fresh scent, and then the Downy fabric softener in cool cotton. And this combo smells amazing and it lingers on your clothes. So that's what I'm using right now. But let's go ahead and get these sheets in the washing machine. So like I said, I am starting with the sheets. Anytime I have multiple loads of laundry, I like to start with the sheets. That way I know that they're ready by the time we're ready to get in bed.
Why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing.
Now that the sheets are done, I'm gonna go ahead and toss them in the dryer, and then I'll also clean off the lint trap. I try to do this between every load. Sometimes I forget, but I try to remember to do it before I start every load. Next, I'm going to be washing some of our towels and some of my cleaning cloths, and I'm also washing our bath mat. So since some of these items are colored, I'm not going to be using any bleach just because I don't want the bleach to ruin them. So I just use the hottest water possible. That way it kills all the germs, and then I'll also put them on the sanitize mode in the dryer.
I don't know if I like this chasing and playing.
While I had 2 loads of laundry going, I decided to go ahead and take this opportunity to straighten up the laundry room. So there were some things on the dryer that I needed to go through and get those put away. And then right there by the door, we have a boot tray that we keep all of our shoes in as we come in from outside. And I noticed that there was a lot of sand and dirt there, so I wanted to go ahead and vacuum that off as well. And then once I'm finished with that, I'm gonna go around and vacuum all of the baseboards. You guys know in the laundry room, it seems like there's lint and dust everywhere, so I went ahead and vacuumed the baseboards and then vacuumed the floor.
Kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be
Once the sheets were done, I went ahead and switched out the loads, but before I started on load number 3 in the washing machine, I went ahead and wiped down the washer and the dryer. I filmed a laundry video one time and I went to wipe down the washing machine and the control panel is all touch. So when I went to wipe down like the back of the washing machine, I accidentally hit the power button and it completely turned off and drained. So I had to start over on that load. So it was definitely a lesson learned. So I went ahead and before I started on load number 3, wiped down the washer and the dryer, and I'm just using the Method glass and surface cleaner and my eCloth polishing cloth.
You make me wanna do better. I don't know why, I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you.
Now that I'm done wiping down the washer and the dryer, I'm gonna go ahead and throw Will's work clothes in the washing machine, and I usually run his on a longer cycle just because they are his work clothes and they do get a little more dirty than any of our other clothes. So I usually run those on a longer cycle just to make sure they get clean.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you, like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love. Crazy for love.
The final load of laundry were my clothes, so I went ahead and threw those in, and at this point I was ready for a shower and bed. It was getting kind of later in the night, so I did not fold any of these clothes. This night I actually saved them for the next day when I got home from work. So when I go to fold all of these clothes, you will see that I have changed outfits and my hair is different. It's because I was not in the mood to fold any of those clothes that night, so I just did it when I got home from work the next day.
We've been here too long. I can't breathe, I can't take it slow. We're far away from home, but I can't wait to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Oh, nah, nah. Give me a sign and tell me when to begin. Cause every time we leave, I'm longing back to the place where the lights go down. Just you and I leaving out the rest. Oh, so that I need is you in my bed. Give me a sign, know that in your head. Lonely together at its best. Oh, let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. I never needed love until I saw and I met your eyes. That's why I'm moving close to be here and to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Give me a sign and tell me when to begin.
Now it is the next night and it's time to fold the 3 loads of laundry that I had, so I went ahead and started with the towels.
So that I need is you in my bed. Give me a sign, know that in your head. Lonely together at its best. Oh, let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Oh, let me know now, now, now. Oh, oh, oh. To be here and to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Give me a sign and tell me when to begin.
Now that the towels are folded and put away, the next load of clothes that I had to fold were Will's work clothes, and I try to fold and then put away immediately because if I don't, they will sit in the laundry basket or they'll sit on the dresser for a few days. So I try to put them up as soon as I get them folded. I did put Will's back in the laundry basket for him to put up later.
Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby. Dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head
The last load that I had to fold were my clothes.
Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
Now that everything else is folded and put away, there were a few of my tops that I needed to put on hangers.
With you, everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it motivated you to tackle something in your home today. If it did, and if you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And if you haven't already, please consider hitting that little red subscribe button. I would love to have you stick around, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.
Just